How to use chatbots on Google Chat. So first and foremost, open your Google Chat. Then to add a bot, you have to tap on this new chat option. The previous updates in this new chat, there used to be the option of find bots. However, it has been included in the option called find apps. So we have to go ahead and tap on find apps. Now right here you will find a lot of application, but search for bots so that we can find all the bots all together right here, or you can even find or search for a particular one. Then select the bot that you are looking for, tap on it, then you can either install this or just tap on add to space, then tap on continue. In the left hand side, a dialog box should pop up where you have to enter the space name where you want to add it, then tap on the space, then tap on continue. Once you do that, you can head back from here and open the space to check if the bot has been added, and simply like that, the bot has been added to my space. Isn't it simple? You can go ahead and surf more about this bots and application in new chat if you want to, and it will just make your life or the chats easier for a smoother conversation. So go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.